Alright, pulling the old steering wheel. I can access our turn signal switch. Easy peasy. I think that's all she takes. So pull the little spring. Horn contact with cancel cam. This is the one we had to modify. All them there years ago.
Yeah, I'll give you a call as soon as I get it work.
And then I'm gonna get this here, pop it out. All right. So, getting our last little bit here out. Gotta undo our little screwsies. Then we go underneath, get everything apart. Damn, Scotty. Scotty's over here dying or something.
I know, right?
So, anywho, I'm on this. So I'm gonna take care of, these are nice and loose now. I'm gonna get them out. And I'm gonna hook everything down below. The love below. All right, so pulling the turn signal, steering column, fun and games switch out. Yeah. It's kind of cute when the whole shebang bang grenades.
Yeah, it did more than a shaboing boing.
Yeah, it went kaboom. Anywho, that's lovely. So, I'm probably gonna unhook everything down underneath. I'm gonna give the old one the old snip, and then I'll take the leads out of the new one, feed them through, which is a nightmare in and of itself.
Dope. I didn't break anything. I didn't break anything. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
You talking to yourself? Anyway, all right. So I'm gonna get this out of here, and away we go.
Okay, now you can see.
I can see
Here.
Ooh, brown wire.
Little tiny brown
String
wire,
brown
and you
wire.
can tell it's broken,
Yep.
right?
There it is.
Okay.
Little tiny brown
And if
wire.
you look, that's broken.
Mm-hmm.
So my thought truly
I
is
bet.
that because I followed this up, this goes directly up to the stereo, and this goes directly inside the 8-track.
And there's our issue, I bet. Oh, I'm trying to video all of this, and it's hard to do. That wire. That wire. Scotty's gonna have a lot of fun.
Yeah, yay.
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 This just went on.
Melty fun time. Lovely, Scotty. Mmm, delicious. Are you making sex noises?
Okay, so that goes there. So I can be a persnickety little bitch.
You are a persnickety little bitch.
I know that. And I'm good at it.
Persnickety little
What
bitch.
happened to the needle nose
I was
pliers?
using them. They're right here.
Thank you, sir. I will grab your fucking nuts and...
On God. Okay, you win.
Because I'm older. And I'm more wiser.
I don't know about that.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
You have your moments. Anyway, I'm going down here. I'm going to unplug.
You're going down, what?
Going down. Loving an elevator. Living it up when you're going down.
Don't give up your day job.
Jot that. I'm going to undo these. Get everything loose here. Unhook the connector. I'm just going to unhook it down there and give this a snippy and just yank it out. And then we're going to put it in the fresh. So I was plugging away on the turn signal switchy switch. And Scotty's like, oh my God, Tom's about ready to lose this piece of chrome.
I couldn't figure out why my...
Oh my.
Yeah, there's only one screw holding it in.
Oh wow.
There's no bottom brackets like we did on the GTO the other day.
Yeah. On
Those
which
bottom bolt-up brackets,
Yeah, they're gone.
they're not even there at all.
Great.
Because I'm like, what the hell is clunking? I didn't hit anything. I thought it was the rocker panel cover. Nope, it's not. This is ready to literally just disappear.
Yeah. God knows we don't want that happening. So, Scotty saw that. Scotty's finding that. Look at him. He's like acting like a little spider monkey right now. So, he's going to fix that, amongst other things. I'm going to go tinkle.
Yeah, you go tinkle. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah. And then I'm going to get the thing out.
I wonder
You wow, 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 wow,
Yeah, exactly.
wonder.
if we can
Why?
Get those kits.
Like
we
Wick
did for
has?
the GTO.
Yeah.
And get the 2 pieces for here.
Yes.
Maybe
Ames probably has them. When Tom gets in, we will mention that.
Let me slide underneath real quick and take a peek.
You like to slide up underneath?
Well,
Apple bonding.
the other problem is...
It's probably been bonded over.
Nope. Found the hole.
Was there hair around it?
Not much.
Mm.
But it was black.
Ooh. Anyway.
Ooh, maybe. At least enough to hold it in place. Yeah, because I mean, there's absolutely nothing.
So we need to get those kits
We
like
need
the GTO.
yeah.
Yep. The bottom tab kit.
Yep.
Got
Because
it.
there's the one, which is midsection. And I
It's got
guarantee
one
the
up
other one's
here,
going to
yeah.
be up there.
Yep.
At least they're easy enough to install. It's just screw it.
You see
But
screw
I'm
up,
just
can you?
glad I caught that.
All right. Cool. I'm gonna go wee wee now. Need help getting up?
I don't want to get up.
You want me to help you get
Yes,
it up?
please.
I mean, wait, what?
Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna go wee wee now.
Okay, go wee wee.